Well, today it's just like Kylie Minogue Day, because we're going to step back in time. Anybody can remember this car? I call it a car, it's a Land Rover, isn't it? It's a little blue, well, dusty, grey, petrol 90. And 4 years ago we had some problems with the fuel system. We ended up putting a new tank in it because the old one was really rusty. And you know something? I don't think it's moved ever since. Look at the state of it. It just turned up on a towing truck. Surprise. I think Land Rovers keep the Canadian towing industry going. But he wants me to fix it up. Well, let's see if it starts. The battery is dead. Now I don't know if we can revive it. But I don't like them when they've been like that, because if they've had ice and frost on them, they'll buckle. You know, the water turns to ice and the buckle short out the knacker. So we can almost safely say it needs a battery. Well, let's take the camera off and let's have a look at it. Now, we reported that there was a problem with the clutch. I would say that's a problem with the clutch. What else is it? 126,000 kilometres. It's not much, is it? Yeah, the battery's gone, because like I said, this is usually a little green light here. That's not being on. It's not being charged. Look at all that rust. What a shame, eh? Because it was a nice chassis. It's just been driven in mud and left. Oh. I think it's got through inspection. I'm not sure if it's been inspected or not. The cross member's really nice and solid. Oops, look at this here. That's not good, is it? 4 years without a fuel cap. Look how plastic's rotted. Look at it. Let's have a look at the engine. Yeah, I seem to think I put new plugs, points, caps, you know, just a general service on this last time I saw it. It's got one of them bloody awful Webbers on. I just don't like them. Always a problem. Brake fluid, the brake fluid's down to minimum. That's not a good sign. What's the clutch like? Can we see it? I bet there's note in it. It's all black gun. Nothing at all. Nothing at all. It's got a leak out somewhere. Fortunately, with these little chaps, you can get to the bleed screw down there, so that might not be too bad. And it's had another starter, and I can't remember if I put that on or not. But it's all original. And it's got power steering as well. I didn't notice that. Wow. Well, I think first things first, we'll see what's wrong with this clutch. We'll put some fluid in it. We'll take it from there. We'll take the battery off and get it charged up. So I've grabbed hold of some brake fluid in a little container here. I'm going to put it in. Now, if it only just tops up the master cylinder, then we know the master cylinder's been leaking. But looking at the floor, it doesn't look very wet. But then again, 4 years, brake fluid will just evaporate. So we'll pour some in. Right, just arrived at the right time, Curtis.
Really?
Yeah, well, not really, but come here, give us a hand with this clutch.
The clutch?
You need to bleed it out. Just go in and just press the pedal with your... It's not on. Just press the pedal with your hand. Don't put your foot.
Okay.
And just slow, because I've got my finger over the thing. You know, clutches at this side, eh? Alright.
Ready?
Yeah. Again. Let it up.
I'm at the floor.
Let it up. Down.
Floor.
Let it up. Wait a minute. I'm just going to check the reservoir. Oh, this is only fucking tiny, eh? We'll do 2 more. Well, just put your hand up. Just put your hand on it now. Have you got any resistance? Nothing.
Nothing.
Keep going. Okay, Curtis. Give it a good sharp push.
Nothing.
Can you hear the air coming out?
I think I hit on your side.
Yeah, go on, then give it another one.
Oh, there goes something. There we go.
What's that like?
It's a bit better, but it's bumpy.
Let it up.
Try it again. Oh, there we go.
We've got clutch now.
Yeah.
Is it a good clutch?
It's hard. It stops.
Huh?
It doesn't go any farther. Goes a little bit, then it stops. Check that. About an inch.
So, yeah. Well, that just, wait a minute, I'm going to just put some more fluid. So we've got a clutch, haven't we?
Yep.
We've bled the cylinder through. That's perfect. Now, we've got our number one tech here. We've got Curtis here. You haven't seen Curtis for a long time. Everybody likes to see Curtis.
Yep, Curtis been working.
Curtis been working?
Yep.
What have you been doing, Curtis?
Cutting grass, washing dishes.
Well, not at the same time, I hope.
No.
No, that'd be a juggling act, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
So, we have a problem with this car. I think the battery's knackered because it's been stood out probably for 4 winters. There's no charge in it.
Oh, no, it's dead.
And also I have a concern about that fuel tank. Is there any water in it? So I think it would be wise to...
Pump it out.
Well, it's got a drain bung on it.
Does it?
Yep.
Oh, that's good. There you go, right there.
So we'll drain it off. I don't know how much fuel's in it.
Drain it, find out.
Well, it'd be good for parts washer, won't it?
Yeah.
What a shame, eh? What a nice car. You know, 4 years
Hey,
ago, people were gagging to go.
Run a hose down into the tank and suck it.
You can suck it if you want,
No, with a pump.
but petrol will be dead.
Yeah, it'd be
Gas
like
will be no life in it.
no, it'd be like maple syrup, but still, it'd be better to get it out that way.
It's got an electric fuel pump in it, Curtis.
No, don't use that one. Somebody mess it up.
Exactly. What I'll do is I'll get a ball. I'll tell you what, no, I think I'll do something better. I'll take the battery off my Land Rover and put it on here
Yeah.
and have a look at the gauge and see what's in it.
Yeah,
And that'll give it, if that works. Right, let's do that. So the pump's working.
Let's see what's came out. Oh, should have popped that line loose and see what came off top.
Which is the feed and which is the return? But that's coming out there petrol. So it might not have water in it.
Might put alcohol in there.
The guy couldn't even put a bloody battery on it, Curtis. What's he going to put alcohol in it for?
That's a mixture of the water with the gas.
I know. Should we say if it turns over?
Go
Do
for
you think
it.
it'll start?
50-50. How do
You're a gambling
how the
man.
gas smell though?
Are you a gambling man, Curtis?
Yeah.
Well, that's kind of cute because it does turn over. It isn't locked up.
No.
Right, let's give it a sniff of Dr. Death.
That's enough.
There's never enough Curtis.
Nope. It's dead. Check the points. See if we got fire.
Well, you want to just take a spark plug off?
Yeah. That's it.
Just listen to, just hold the rubber, you won't get a shock. No, you won't lose your air, that's for sure.
No, I
Just
know what
let's
that.
give it a quick flick and see what happens. You ready?
No.
Tell us when. Any time today, Curtis.
No. Nothing.
Nothing?
Nothing.
No spark?
No spark.
Pull the cap off and let's have a look at them plugs. I've got myself a brand new Champion.
Huh?
I think it's a Champion plug, brand new, so I don't think that'll work. They never did, they were crap. Right.
Ready?
Alrighty, spin her over.
Here you go.
No sparks. That's the points cleaned up. That's the lead from the coil. Now we'll put the plug on. Yeah.
Spin it over.
Yeah.
Go.
Yep. No. No spark. I would. What?
That was a little spark there.
Yeah, no, that's what I was saying. By touching this, watch, you see, that must mean there's current going through the points. And I open the points, nothing. So we know the points are alright.
Yeah. But it's
So-
not a lot up there though.
Eh?
It's not a lot of juice though.
No. So if I use this as a substitute for the points, I think the coil's gone.
Yeah. That's what I said.
Did you get the battery off?
Yeah.
Where is it? Oh, put it here. It might have been left on with the ignition on and burnt the coil out. You don't know, do you? Negative, positive, positive. Right. Hold that near there, Curtis. No, the spark's not going to go that far. Just so you get a spark. No, don't touch it. Just hold it off. Like a spark plug gap. 25,000. Keep going. Ooh, tiniest spark. Can you see it?
No.
You flick that. You just keep flicking that. I don't want to touch this because I'll get a big bang. Just mind you a bit.
No.
Can you hear?
I can see it down here. Yep. Yes, that's weak.
Right.
So yeah, that's gone.
Yep.
It's not strong enough.
Should have a great big huge spark.
A big, yep.
Blow
big
your
blue
balls
flame.
off. Where are we going to get a coil from?
Parts store.
It looks to me the same as a Range Rover one.
Yeah. Chevrolet, Ford, GM. It's all the same.
Should be on the set.
Yeah.
And that's what it is, that's why it won't fire up.
Yeah.
Well, it seems we're in luck because the ignition coil for this is exactly the same as a Series 3 or a 2A or a 2. And it just so happens that Napa have one in stock just down the road. But knowing my luck, what it says on the computer and says in the shop are a different thing. But I have to go down for some body filler anyway, so that'll kill two birds with one stone. Yeah, it's funny thing is that coil, isn't it? It's just, that can be the only thing that's wrong with it, there's no sparks. I think in the meantime though, I think I will drain out the petrol because the gauge is showing low, just to see if there's any water in it. Now I'm really concerned I haven't got a fuel cap for this. Well, at least I don't think so. I'll go and have a look.